Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a profile backlink on TED.com. So let's get started. First head over to TED.com and click on sign in. Now click continue with Google. Now select your Gmail ID. Click continue. Now add your first and last name. You can add your own name or your company or website name. Click create account. Now go to your Gmail and verify it. Open this email and click on verify my email address. Click continue. Now in the top right corner, hover your mouse over your profile icon and click your profile. Now click edit profile. Now fill in all the details and add your website link here. Let's copy the website address, paste in the URL and also in the label, or you can write your website name here. So let me write my website name. Now scroll down, add your bio. Scroll down and click save. Your profile backlink is now ready. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.